Hi, my name is Jane. I have Elijah, who's my eldest son. He's in the primary program under Miss Teresa. What I like most about Inspire Kids Montessori is not only is it a community where they foster differences, different cultures, but a community of kindness and love, but they also push you academically, but at your own pace. And I think for my husband and I, that we really appreciate that with Elijah. He is very motivated, but if he doesn't feel confident, he'll kind of keep to himself. And what we've seen during this time here at IKM, he's really opened up a lot, and just his growth, both emotionally and academically, has been exponential. Elijah's learned a ton, and we've been quite surprised at the things that he's learned. I mean, the human body, the anatomy, the different continents, different types of bodies of water. They talk about different musical instrument or artists that are very well known throughout history, and things that you wouldn't typically expect from a kindergarten program. But so we've been really pleased and amazed at all of the things that he's learned. I would absolutely recommend Inspire Kids Montessori. In fact, we tell all of our friends and family who are looking for a pre-primary or primary program. I only wish that IKM would go beyond kindergarten, just because of how much we love the program that they offer. All of the teachers and the assistants, they're amazing. They truly do love and care for each child. And even if Elijah was not in the classroom and it's a different teacher, they know him by name. They see how he's doing, and I can see that he's comfortable with them. And I think as a parent, not only are you concerned about the safety, well-being, and the health of your child, but also from an academic perspective, and you get all of that plus more.